I've been attending ICT course at MServe Kenya. I've been here for the last 6 weeks. For now, I can interact with my computer well. I'm comfortable with Excel mostly. For now, I can go to my Google Chrome, which I was not able to do. I've learned to be presentable in the community. Now I will help the community and the society back at home to get skills and to go on with life. My message is to thank the W4 women for this chance they have given us. And I also thank our teacher Diana for helping us and for teaching us these skills. They will help us so much out there and when we go to start our businesses. And to my fellow colleagues, I thank them for socializing with me. It was a good interaction. Congratulations to all my fellow colleagues, and may they start their own businesses and employment, and those who are going to study, may they study hard.